Hello, Adrienne Mays here with Being a Change LLC, and I wanted to thank you for actually taking the action towards Freedom Accelerator. I'm excited to have you here and can't wait to guide you through this amazing program and show you how to start a business from the ground up. Now, I totally understand working a 9-to-5 job can be a drag and you want help to quit that job as soon as possible. So you can have that ultimate financial and time freedom and just promoting a product, which customers can get the value and understand the product. So people look at affiliate marketing as just some build an email list and promote a bunch of random products, but actually you're helping someone achieve their dream outcome with the Eco Affiliate System. It's not just about making more money. It's really about building your business and building your brand for the long haul and for the long term. So if you're setting up your business online to provide solutions to problems for your clients and you're also building a relationship with your client base, you're going to build that trust and relatable factor in the future to help solve more problems for them to generate more business for you. Why I love Freedom Accelerator, the 4 phases, it shows you how it's going to set up the automated system for you to make you recession proof coming from 2023 and beyond. So let's get right into it. I'd like to introduce you to the instructor, my partner through this process, Jonathan Montoya. He's the expert and go-to for people trying to leave their 9-to-5 jobs. He left the corporate world as an engineer and he literally set up this framework you're about to learn. He knows how to teach. And he's had a crazy, people with crazy life schedules, people only having a few hours a week. And I partner with him for opportunities to bring them like this with you. So I again introduce Jonathan Montoya that's going to walk you through this process that is going to be amazing. So when you move forward and actually use the links down below to connect with me to actually move forward with the bonuses and the purchase, I look forward to helping you take the Freedom Acceleration together.